assign it the string book, right? And item number 2, we're going to assign the string bread. And item 3, we're going to assign string eggs. Okay. Okay, let's run that. See if it's correct. Okay, we can't see anything because I haven't called anything, obviously. So firstly, to check if it's actually working, let me call the function. So it's make shopping. It's just remember to camel case shopping list. Yeah. Okay. And so if we pass nothing into the argument, it should give me the default, which is milk, bread, and eggs. Right. But now if we pass into the argument our own shopping list items, let's just say, for instance, muesli. I can't think of anything right now. No, sorry. Muesli. Let's say, man, I'm just going by mageyu, which is something we drink in South Africa. It's sort of like milk mixed with maize, something in that form, and fruit. So if I reach fruit, just say bananas. Right. And then we run that, for instance, you'll see that because we passed in the argument 3 arguments, 3 new arguments, you can see that now the string has changed. Remember to buy muesli, remember to buy mageyu, remember to buy bananas. Right, so yeah, so if you just call the argument as is with no, if you just call the function, sorry, then and there's no argument passed to it, it will give you those default parameters that have been passed to the function itself. Okay, I hope I'm not confusing you guys. Sometimes I confuse myself, so please forgive me. All right, let's move on.